Sir, a good day. So for my accomplishment today, for this project is for this project setup on this project is we're using Nux, which is a framework of Vue. So it gives one of its advantages is services. It gives single page application. So that is from Vue. So as you can see here, as I navigate through to the other pages, it goes very smoothly without loading the entire content of the page. And next is it also gives us the server, meaning we can apply SEO on different pages. So it's not only going to stick on the index, which is the main problem of using Vue. But for the Nux, it's not really a problem anymore. So what I did in right here on the homepage is I added some contents, which is as you can see here, we have here this content. So I'm just gonna translate this into English so I would understand. So first of all, we have this new content right here, action detection. Also, the image is updated as well, and then we also have this rag-based knowledge. So it's another services or project on this. What it's one of the services of this project for the client, and then this one is still the same. So the four items. It's just I added two items since I'm still waiting for the updated photos for the members, which is as you can see right here. So yesterday it was actually already added. So into Korean. So it's actually already been updated, the Korean and then the English details for each members. But there are two members that is currently outdated of their photo. So I'm still currently waiting for their updated photo and then apply right here. So while I'm waiting, I've already added the new content for the services of the homepage. So for tomorrow is I'm going to fix some of the spaces right here, which is commented by one of our team members. So I'm going to do that one tomorrow. So next is right here. So this one's right here is as you can see, it's a bit of a change of an UI since I've already worked on this already, but it the one I worked with was actually the change of the UI into a newer version. But for now is I'm currently handling the payment module, so the payment dashboard. So what changed? So I'm now working on the previous UI, meaning I'm not going to work with the new UI first. So I have to actually fix this one since I've already had a meeting with the team members on this. So we've got a task we've got assigned for different modules. So this is the one that I'm assigned with, and for this one, it's not really a progress, but more on like a backtracking or tracking for the values. Since right here, I'm still overwhelmed since as you can see right here, it has a lot of data or a lot of values. So from this alone is actually very confusing for me. So what I did for now is actually track the backend for now. Since what I did since I was relying on initially I was relying that this data is actually accurate. So that alone, what I did is search for a solution that makes these four categories to have a total of 100% divided by these four categories, which is payment, non-payment, created, waiting, and then not created. But since that one is actually not much more difficult to read since because of the problems of the values, which is right here, 67 and then 91%, it's much more hard to apply the having the correct value. So what I did right now is to track the back end. So as you can see right here, I'm having a two requests, which is login and payments for this project. So what I'm doing right now is I want to modify the past values on this one based on the filtered dates. So what I'm going to do for now is instead of working on this huge datas right here or huge values is I'm going to focus first on, let's say for example, when I select a date, it should focus on that date around the datas around that date is going to get display right here. So meaning this right here I'm going to pass according to the request, pass it right here, and then modify the values right here to make sure that it actually sends the accurate data so that on the front end right here it will be no problem anymore regarding with the handling the computing of the percentage. So that's what I'm doing right now. So it's not really a progress, but more like of a tracking. So what I'm planning to do tomorrow is I'm going to ask a lot of questions, or not maybe a lot of questions, but questions for the categories right here. It's already being laid out on the. It's already being laid out on my this right here, which is as you can see, which is the conditions for the each category. It's already been laid out, so that's what I'm trying to figure out to be sent out on my backend API response, and then going to apply right here. So that is all for my accomplishment today, sir.